Greetings, moguls. It's May 1st, 2019, and we couldn't be more excited. During the month of April, we launched our Welcome Home campaign that focused on the real estate market, community values, and the fundamentals of home and commercial ownership. We hosted 5 workshops, held 6 classes, and touched over 200 youth. We were able to raise about $475 worth of donations towards our monthly goal of $2,000. We are expanding our Welcome Home series through the month of May, but this time we'll be focusing on ways our students can make their house a home, the fundamentals of being a good neighbor, and viewing your physical body as a temple. This month, our flash mentors and case studies will be none other than the world-renowned, globe-trotting journalist herself, the spiritual healer, Miss Madison, Jaye. She's flying in from New York. We'll be studying Derrick Faulcon. He's known as the $1 million restaurant brand maker. He did that in under a year. He is the founder of Homemaid and the Supper Club. We'll be studying the 6-figure homes realtor Quiana Watson and reviewing an interview I did with none other than Tyler Perry. Our goal is to empower our youth with the tools necessary to garner pride in their home, their neighborhood, and of course themselves. So if you would like a copy of our curriculum, feel free to join our app. We're in need of your donations. If you're an entrepreneur, feel free to work with us to get your story out there so that we can empower our youth. Teachers, parents, entrepreneurs, we can do this together. Let's utilize Mogul Academy to change the future. Y'all ready? I'm ready. All right.